Welcome to my YouTube channel once again. This is Push Tech. We want to quickly look at Nigcomsat. A lot of people will be finding it difficult to track Nigcomsat, so I just want to do a quick one on Nigcomsat. So you see, Nigcomsat 1 hour at 42.5 E. 42.5 E. So let's quickly go through the channels on Nigcomsat. Nigcomsat has C band, and Nigcomsat also have KU band. So the C band is not common, it's not popular. We only have 3672L. So this one has L. That means is a secular. We need a dielectric to track it. 3672L, and the symbol rate is 1055. And the only channel here is OPM Dr. Jesus TV. So let's see the KU band, the popular one. A lot of them NTA choosing OPM, the same OPM that have KU band, also Impact, Sona, Allo TV, Benue TV, NBC, Advocates, rest. So this is the main frequency of Nigcomsat 12518, and the symbol rate is 29500. So for those who find it difficult, because a lot of people complain that this very 12518H 27500 is very difficult to track. So, and this is where what contains most of the channels. Most of the channels are there, but you can still use another one. There are other good channels on Nigcomsat, other good frequencies like 12538, 5000. So if this one is difficult for you to track, there's another one, very short one. You can use the movies Nolly, Mule Sports, Al Jazeera is their kids. This one is our TV. So these are 12545H horizontal 6166. For the short one, I'm very sure that one never fails. That one is very reliable. Among all of them is this one that has Spectrum TV, which is 12 733 vertical 3500. So let's quickly see the coverage and the dish size of Nigcomsat. So we're going to go out there and do the tracking, but let's quickly just see. Now what do? You just click this ECOWAS. When you click the ECOWAS, you see the coverage and the dish sizes. The coverage of Nigcomsat covers from inside Mali. Is it Mali? I'm seeing a little into Mali. I think a quarter of Niger, Burkina Faso, Ghana, then Nigeria, down to South Africa. So it's a wide coverage. For those of you who are outside this coverage, like those in Sudan, those in Ethiopia, those in Somalia, like may leave a very big dish to get it. But it covers how many countries here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Not all part of South Africa. So what do you need? Let's see the dish size down. Let's go down and see the dish sizes. Oh, there's no dish size here, but ECOWAS KU. So that is for the Nigcomsat coverage. So I'm not seeing the dish sizes. That means it's not provided. So let's go back and see if this SpectraNet or Spectrum, I say SpectraNet, Spectrum, I'm sorry, if the Spectrum TV also have the same coverage. The all ECOWAS, so definitely it will be the same. ECOWAS, it will be the same. This one is not active. This one is not active. But the first ECOWAS 1 is not active. ECOWAS 1 is not active, and ECOWAS 2 is active. So ECOWAS 2 is the one that we click and was active. I gave her the coverage. So this how it should be. So this is the coverage of Nigcomsat. Covers these parts of Africa. So once you can see that it passes through your country, it's easier for you to do the job. It's easier for you to do the job. So definitely just need a smaller dish in any of these regions to get the job done. So you're going to stay tuned. We're going to go outside now and do the Nigcomsat tracking. Thank you. We want to track the Nigcomsat first. So like I told you, Nigcomsat is if this is your DSTV, this is your DSTV. If this is your DSTV here, DSTV Joy TV will be somewhere here. Joy TV will be here. That Astra 28 will be here by the side. DSTV will be here. And Nigcomsat will be here. Then Belintesat will be somewhere here on the single dish. So let's quickly track the Belintesat. Quickly track it now. Okay, so what we have here now is we have 81, we have 80. We want to track it. We're using this frequency. Let me quickly get the frequency we're using. We're using 12518 29500 horizontal. So we're going to get our tracking done now. Let's quickly see. Now take note, we are going to do the tracking and then just hold on. Nigcomsat is very tricky, but I'll give you the guide on how to do it properly. So make sure you get like 60 and above for stable frequency. Get like 60 and above. So this is our Nigcomsat. We'll finally track our Nigcomsat. So while we track our Nigcomsat, let me give you a guide on how you quickly track the Nigcomsat with that 12518 horizontal 29500. So this, if you get anything less than this, it will crack. So like this is, so these are Nigcomsat. A lot of channels there, very good for you to view. So let's quickly see our LMB skew. This is our LMB skew. LMB skew is something like 8 o'clock. Take note, for Nigcomsat is 8 o'clock. That's where you get good signal quality. So there's it. So just stay tuned. We're going to attach our Belintesat to it.